friends, welcome to my channel. Chalo Padhe. Last time we have discussed about the forms. Today we are going to do about the queries. I have a table this. Go to create. You are having a form design. We have done a template. This way you can create even the forms. Whichever you want to pick, you can create the form of that table. Now I am creating a form of table 2. This way I can create it, yes. So this way your table 2, sorry, okay. This way your table 2 form 1 will also create. You can see the data is there. All the records are shown. So next topic which we are going to do is query. What is query? How we can create a query? Click on create, click on query, query design, form design, same query wizard again to do the query according to your already defined pattern. Design query, which tables you want to take, because there is nothing common in any table. We need to create one more table, like table 3 we are having admission number common. We will create one more table so that there will be one common thing between two tables, admission number, text, and I am putting a primary key here, and next I am writing English number, then I am writing science number, right? I am saving it, yes, okay. So in table 3 I have filled 74856, same admission number I need to fill so that the data will match. This way I have created another table. I am closing all the tables and I will create a new query. Right. Now I am creating a query. Create, query design. Which table I am taking? Table 3, add, table 4, add. Because in these two tables I am having one column, admission of, I can click and drag it here. That will create a relationship. What I want to show? I want to show table 3 admission number. What else I want to show? Table 4 marks, English marks. Table 4 science marks. Table 3 marks column. Table 3 address. Whichever you want to choose, you can choose the field. And then if you want to sort it, you can click on and sort it in ascending or descending. You want to show it, protect it. Then criteria means if you want to put any condition that admission number will be equal to this. In that case, you are having option criteria where you can put a criteria for creating a query. Click on close. Yes. Okay. You can see when I am clicking on query bar, it is showing me admission number, English, math, English, science, marks, and address. What it is some columns I have taken from table 3, some I have taken from table 4, and my new query I have created, that is a combination of table 3 and table 4. So what do you mean by query? Query means any information, any particular information out of the whole table you want to take. At that time you are using a query. So you can also create a relationship in a query also. There are different type of query, like a select query where you can retrieve one or more table, cross tab query where row heading or column heading you can see, action query where you can make the changes or move the record. In that way you can create a query. Parameter query to type to select query that prompt you for an input before you. So this way you can create a query, and in query right click as well as in design view also, again you can open that window, and if you want to add or delete or create anything or do some changes in that, you can do it very nicely. This way your query will be created. I think criteria is clear. Simple criteria means where you are putting one condition, and or means multiple condition. I am saying my admission number will be between this or this. So that is a multiple criteria. You are having a table of SQL command also where you can put a queries also. So now your one topic is left, that is a report. So what is report? Report means summary of the your database. It is a way to organize or summarize a view of print data. So again I am on table 4, I am on create, I am on report. I am reports are having different sections: report, header, page, header, details, page footer, report footer. This way you can create. So I am creating a report through wizard. I am taking admission number, English, science, all I am taking. If you don't want to take all, you can't take. So it will be showing you like this way, whichever pattern you want to take it, you can take it. You want to put a ascending order of the admission number, you can choose it. You want to show it in a column form, in a tabular form, in a justified form, whichever. Portrait, landscape, whichever way you want to show it, you can show. Next, then click on this way it will appear. Next, table 4, preview your report finish. You can see the report will be created. By clicking on this, now you can create the page footer, page header, everything from the design view you can create it. You can arrange it, you can give the title like result sheet. You can put a label like English. In front of that, in text box, the marks will be shown. Then you can add more labels, science, and you can add a text. And then you can click on submit so that your report will be generated accordingly. You can give a title, you can even give a page number, whichever page you want to give. You want to give date and time, you can give. You want to give a logo, you can give. This way you can create a report. Whenever you close it, it will be saved. Yes. With the table 4 report I have created. This is your report where it is showing me which thing is to be shown where I want to show it. This way your report will be created. You can even use the report tools to do any change, or you can even formatting a report. There are different type of buttons in the report. Like in report you can even create, you can use label box, text box, list box, so that you can create a presentable report. Report means to show the summary of the database. With this, your chapter of database management over. Thank you student for liking, sharing as well as subscribing my channel. Keep watching my channel and wait for the next chapter. Up to that, thank you. Stay connected to my channel. Subscribe my channel and enjoy the videos of my channel. Thank you students.